Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The cloud computing landscape has been undergoing significant changes in recent months, and today we're going to dive into a fascinating story that's got everyone talking. It seems that two of the biggest players in this space, Amazon Web Services and Microsoft, are both pausing their global data center projects. According to a Wells Fargo analyst note, Amazon is rethinking several co-location deals, with sources suggesting these delays mirror Microsoft's recent infrastructure rethink. While specific projects weren't named, it's clear that international sites are being impacted, but deals aren't being canceled outright. At Microsoft Sphere, we're always keeping an eye on the cloud computing space because it's evolving at such a rapid pace. And one thing that's become increasingly apparent is that supply chain constraints are putting the brakes on growth for these tech giants. In February, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy warned about shortages of chips, power capacity, and motherboards, essentially, the building blocks of modern computing. Fast forward to March, when AWS's Director of Infrastructure Policy for EMEA cautioned that outdated grid infrastructure was slowing down new data center projects. And now, it seems that Amazon is using these supply chain challenges as a strategic lever to pause or delay several developments, a tactic Microsoft has already employed to notable effect. Microsoft initially halted a number of US-based projects before extending delays to sites in the UK, Europe, Indonesia, and Australia. But what's interesting here is how both companies are approaching this pause. While Amazon is rethinking its co-location deals, Microsoft is taking a more nuanced approach, acknowledging that their growth plans have been impacted by the pandemic, but still reaffirming their commitment to expanding. In fact, Microsoft's president of cloud operations, Noel Walsh, offered some reassuring words on LinkedIn. She stressed that the company remains committed to growth and will continue to allocate investments in line with business priorities and customer demand. It's a message that's likely to resonate with investors who are watching these tech giants' moves closely. So what does this mean for the cloud computing space? Is it a data center bubble waiting to burst? While it's impossible to say for certain, one thing is clear. The pace of growth has slowed significantly in recent months. As we look ahead, it'll be interesting to see how these tech giants navigate these challenges and adapt their strategies. At Microsoft Sphere, we're committed to staying on top of the latest developments in cloud computing, from emerging trends like edge computing to innovations like Azure Quantum. Stay tuned for more insights into the cloud space and all its intricacies.